In primetime news this evening, $60 billion more. Government tables supplementary budget in Parliament. Royal change, Vale Royal property to be repurposed. And developing countries outline suitable compensation for climate change impact at COP27. We break it down.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella will continue to assess the supplementary estimates and give details on the $21 billion set aside for public sector wages.
All right, thanks, Andrea. And Renardo is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Renardo?
Well, Herman, big news for women's football as the local Premier League is set to return this month, while the Reggae Boys get set to face Cameroon in a friendly international on Wednesday. We'll have those and much more.
And there's also sports commentary, weather, but first of all, here's our feedback question.
Our question this evening. As the government contemplates the future of Vale Royal, how do you suggest the property can be used?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.